Hello guys, what's up? So for all the Yakuza fan, the bright news is that Yakuza Like a Dragon is announced for PC, and this game is currently coming on PC this year, November 13, 2020. Whether this game will have Denuvo or not, we'll find out in this video. Plus, the most important factor that this game is coming for a release date which is not mentioned here, but November 13, 2020 is supposedly the date by which this game would be available. And the most important question, this game has Denuvo. It has already been mentioned that this game is coming with a Denuvo version. Also, currently this game is available as a pre-order, and the price is mentioned around as 2,500, and in dollars it would be around $40 to $50. That's for the standard. Also, coming on to the system requirement, it has already been announced the minimum and recommended system requirement for this game. But to be precise, I am very shocked about one part, that in the minimum section, what this is doing. Intel Core i7. Normally, this features in the recommended section, which is already there. But as a minimum system requirement, I feel that i5 it should have supported. But this game is saying that i7 is the minimum requirement. So what will happen to people having i5 and still people use i3 processor? What will happen, whether they will get the perfect gaming experience or not? That is to be questioned. On the graphics part, Nvidia GeForce looks very nominal, and storage space of around 40 GB. That is to be precise for this game, and recommended is 50 GB. So the game size would range around from 30 to 40. That's what has been announced so far. But this game is coming for this year. The screenshot, the trailer looks very amazing. You can see, for all the fans of Yakuza, I think this is definitely a brighter sign for this game, and definitely in this year, if this game comes, that is good. Currently the demo version, I don't think so Yakuza franchise will give a demo version for this game. And also this game is currently available as English as well as in Japanese, and there is no multiplayer for this, only single player for this game is available. So hopefully you like this news. Yakuza is a big game and it's a big franchise like a dragon. What are your thoughts on it? Comment below. Hopefully you like this news, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe. See you in the video. Bye bye, take care, keep gaming.